There is so much good in this world. At times it may feel impossible to see the good that exists, but it's always there. It's always around if you choose to notice and look for it. There is so much beauty and wonder that exists in our world, and I think there are many times we forget that, or there are times we just get caught up in lower level thinking, and I just want to remind everybody that there is so much positive vibration. There is so much exquisite beauty in this world, and it's all around us if you look for it. Remember that it's always a beautiful day to be alive. No matter what season or time of the year, there is always beauty and peace and positive vibration that does surround us. Align yourself with those elements. Place yourself in environments that foster your growth, your personal development, that bring you higher frequency and energy. Don't settle for reaction or what the world wants you to look for. Look for what you know is there. Align with the beauty of the world.